Hi, this is Ashok, Salesforce learner. And in this tutorial, I will explain about how to insert a record on a hiring manager and its child record position, and also position child record candidates. It means the record is inserted into hiring manager. Then after a single record inserted into position. Then after two child records inserted into candidates object. Okay, now while practicing this, first you can open your console, then see your record, open hiring manager and position and candidates. These three objects are there. Now I want to open my developer console. I already opened. It's my previous program. Now I'm opening new one. Click with class. I'm giving name. What is hiring manager helper. Last name is hiring manager helper. Click on OK. It opens a window like this. It's created a class like this. Now you can write the program. Okay. Look here. First of all, you can create a, what is the use case? First, you can create a hiring manager record. Then after you can successfully create a hiring manager record, you can create a one position record. If you create a position record successfully, you can create two candidate records. Okay. Now I want to create a hiring manager record first. Open this and you can move this. It is okay. Object manager. Click find box search. Hiring. Let's open say. Look here, it is the API name. Copy this and create object here. HR. I simply give HR equal to new hiring manager. Then after you can search what are the fields inside this object. You can search first what are the mandatory fields. You can give the value for mandatory fields. Click on new hiring manager. Look here, what are the total, how many fields available here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. On that, these three are mandatory fields. Look here, these three are mandatory fields. Okay, you must and should give these three values. You can must and should give these three values. Hiring manager name, contact, email address. Then after you can also give these both values. So designation and location, these are optionals. But in this example, I am assigning all of these values. Look here first, what is first one? Go to where it is hiring manager name, Control C, and I think maybe it is not, no need, HR dot, HR dot, where it is hiring manager name equal to, within single quotation, what is the name I want to give? Sundar Prakash. Sundar Prakash. Okay, next HR dot. Sometimes it will indicate like this. If you enter object name with dot, it populates all of the fields. What is the next field? Look here. What is the mandatory field? Contact and email. Contact and email. Where it is, look here and okay, okay, look. HR dot contact. Where is contact? Okay, contact. Phone. Hiring manager contact. Okay. Equal to within the single quotation, you can give these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a phone number. And HR dot. What about next one? Email. Look here, email address here. Email address. Simply object name and dot. It lists out what are the fields available in this object. You can choose that and press enter key. Look here, email address equal to within the single quotation. Prakash, Sundar Prakash, SUNDARPRAKSH at the rate ready readymail.com. Thank you. What about next one? Designation. What is the next one? Look here, designation. So HR dot. It is place. Look here, designation already here. Equal to single quotation. You can mention what is the designation. Look here. You can copy any one of this. Copy and paste here. Control V. What about next one? Location. HR dot. Already where it is location. Look. Location. Look here. This is location. Location equal to within the single quotation you can mention what is the value. Okay, Bangalore. Okay, I want to copy this. Okay, semicolon. What is the problem? Fourth line. It is unexpected. Equal to hiring manager HR dot name. Helper 4, 5, 6, 7. Equal to okay. Here I'm giving directly values. So wait minute. I want to change this code. Here I'm directly assigning values. Now I want to create a method. Public void create hiring manager account. Hiring or HR record. HR record. This is the method name. I want to place this between this method. I want to see Control X. I'm placing here. Look here, it is public void. Okay, I want to save this. It is save. Look here, no problems here. Before this, we got so many problems. It means some compilation errors. No compilation errors. Here I created an object. Sorry, I created a method. Okay. In this method, how many values we entered? Okay. I already assigned values for each and every field. Now I want to insert this record into the. Now I want to insert this record into the. Right. Hiring manager. So you can use the command insert. Insert. What is the object name? HR. Simply, this record is inserted into the hiring manager object. Now I want to check it is inserted successfully or not. Okay. So that's here I am checking if, okay, HR dot ID, HR dot ID not equal to null. HR dot ID not equal to null means it inserted successfully a record. Okay, system dot debug. I am displaying a message successfully inserted a record. Okay, full stop and record ID is plus HR dot ID. HR dot ID. You can keep this. It is okay. HR dot ID. Whenever we can create a record, the associated it is associated object position. Okay, position. Create HR record and here it is create. I'm keeping this small one C. You can see small one. Okay, here create SITA position. Create new position. Create new position. Here I'm sending what is the value HR dot ID. HR dot ID. It is create new HR record. New HR record. Or simply creating new HR. Simply I'm putting create new HR. This is the method name. Okay. Here create new position. Now you can create public void. What is the method name? Copy and paste here. Exactly it copies. But ID equal to HR ID. ID equal to HR ID. Function starting and closing. What are the errors? Public void create new position. Okay. No errors. I want to save this. Now you can create an object. Now you can create an object for this. Here, what is the object manager? Position. Position. This is the API name for this object. Copy this and paste here. Position POS equal to new position. It is a constructor name. Then after go to position object and set the fields. Look here, you can now you can move to position. Check what are the mandatory fields first. So many fields available here, but you can send the values. Mandatory fields. What are the mandatory fields? Okay, milestone, max budget, and position name and number of vacancies. According to using this, you can assign the values using the object. Look here. Okay, we already created POS subject POS dot. It indicates no symbol is found. Okay, it takes some time. So first I want to select position name. Where is position name? Where is look here position name? Position. Look here position. Just I'm copying and pasting here. Position name equal to Salesforce architect. The Salesforce architect. Enter POS dot. You're giving some values. So it's populating here, right? Now you can change number of vacancies. What is next one? POS dot. There is number of vacancies. Move down. Look here, number of vacancies. How many vacancies? I think two. It is a number. No need to give on single quotation. What about next one? Location. Next one, location is location. POS dot. There is location. Look here. Location. I'm giving value. Hyderabad. HYDERABAD. Once I want to check it is in this location. Okay, position location. Hyderabad is there. What is next one? Position type and position description. Position type. Now to give value POS dot position type. Move down. It is position type. Look here, position type is there. Okay, equal to within the single quotation. What are the values? New position. There is new position. Okay, you can keep that new position. That is new position. Then after you can enter the values. What are the values? Position description. That is POS dot position description. POS position description is there. Okay, equal to single quotation. Okay, single quotation. Position description is Salesforce architect with 5 years experience. Okay, enter. This is next one. Hiring manager. Look here, hiring manager. You want to look here. This we already sent this hiring manager ID to here. Now we can map this hiring manager into this position hiring manager field. POS dot where it is hiring manager reference. Look here, reference. You can map this. Okay, hiring manager reference equal to where it is HRID. Okay, this HRID is assigned to this hiring manager. This is the reference. There it is. Here, this ID is passed in this new create new position record. That ID is stored in this HRID. This ID is assigned to this hiring manager reference. Okay, what about next one? Required skills and additional information. These are optionals. Okay, we can give these values also. Okay, skills required. POS dot skills required. Move down. There it is. Skills required. Text area. Okay, equal to within the single quotation and Apex programming. Apex programming. Come on. What is the next one? VF pages. Come on. Apex triggers. Apex triggers. That is keep semicolon this and press enter. If if it have any errors, it will shows here. Okay, no errors. Again, I want to save once. Then after I want to give values. What is the value? HR contact number, HR email. HR contact number and HR email. Here HR email is there. I want to map this also. So I want to send it is email. This can also I am sending email. No data type. String email. Okay, string email, not string email. String where it is HR dot email. Sorry, here HR dot email address. It is email address. HR dot email address. Here string email. It is string email. That email address is stored in this. Okay. Here POS dot HR email address. Where is HR email? Look here. HR email equal to that email. That email is stored in this. Okay, no need to get same email value is inserted in this. Okay, look here. This email, HR email, HR contact number. Okay, this can also want to HR dot. What is contact? Contact. HR dot contact. And this also I'm giving comma HR dot. Sorry, string contact. String contact. Here POS dot HR contact. Here is HR contact equal to contact. The contact number also populated here. Mapping. Same contact number. Okay, email ID, contact, and ID. Three values. Okay, passing this. Okay, the three values passing here. ID, address, email address, and contact. The three values pass into the create new position. The three values are stored this HR ID, email, and contact. These three values are mapped to this position fields. Okay. These are options no need, and open date and close date. Open date and close date. POS dot OPN. Open date already populated here. Open date equal to date dot. Look here, new instance here. Date dot. Here it is, new instance. Okay. Open date 2021. What is the month? This month is 11. And what is the date today? 04. This is the open date and POS dot close date, I think. CL. No need. There it is. Open date. Milestone date. Think milestone date. Look here. What is the milestone date? Equal to same. Date dot new instance. Okay. 2021. Next month. 12 days. This is the milestone date. What is the values? Min pay and max pay. Remaining two values are min pay and max pay. What is the min pay? Reverse dot. Min pay equal to, I think, 12 lakhs. So the value 12 lakhs. I think one. What is POS dot max pay? Max budget equal to 15 lakhs. Okay. Now, in this, values are the same, but if you want to insert this value into the position record, we need insert command. Insert POS. This POS record is inserted into the position object. Now I want to check it is inserted successfully or not. If POS dot ID not equal to null, it means inserted successfully. Okay, not equal to null. System dot debug. CC successfully inserted the position record. Now record ID is, we will plus viewers dot ID, viewers dot ID. Here I am displaying position ID to import. Okay. If you, how many records we want to insert? Two records. How many records? We want to insert two records. What is the next one? Look here. How many records we want to insert? Insert this candidate two records. These values are inserted. These values are assigned and inserted. Then after these values are assigned and inserted. Single record. But here two records want to insert here. So we need a for loop. First we want to check what are the fields available in this candidate. Click on candidates and click new candidate. How many fields available here? Okay, candidate name, location, notice period, qualification, years of experience. What is the position name? Look here, it is the position name I want to refer. Okay, position name. Okay, so here I want to pass. What is the create new candidate. Here we want to pass viewers.id, viewers.id, comma, two. How many records want to insert? Two records. So simply plus two. Okay. Public void is the class name. Here I think some errors are there. Look here, position public void create. Here public void create closed. Sorry, it is the create new HR. It is a create. Okay. I think 41 line. Math does not exist. Okay. Now we want to create public void. What is the method name? Method name is here. And this, what is the data ID? POS ID, comma, integer counter, integer counter, starting and closing. Look here, starting and closing. Wait. Okay, look here. Okay, I want to minimize this. Only this. Okay. Now we want to, first I want to assign, I want to create a object. What is the object? Candidate. What is the candidate? Here, what is the candidate object API name? Copy this. Can equal to new candidate. Use the object name can dot. Not populated here. Now I want to move. Go candidate. Build some relationship. Candidate name. Control C and control V. Candidate name equal to within the single quotation, keeping what is the candidate name? Sundar Prakash. Now Bhan Prakash. Bhan Prakash. Okay. I think now it will populate this here. CAN dot. Now populated here. Qualification. Now I want to give qualification. To qualification came. Qualification. It is correct or not? Equal to within the single quotation. I want to check once. It is correct or not. QUA. Okay. Qualification. underscore underscore C. What here can see you? Sorry, it is wrong one. CAN dot QU qualification. Okay, equal to within the single quotation. What are the qualification values? BCA. There it is MCA is there. Now I'm keeping the value MCA single quotation. Okay, what is the next value? Years of experience. CAN dot years of experience. It is the integer field, so that's why I want to keeping 7 years experience. Okay, years of experience 7. Location notice period. Location. CAN that location. Erased is location. Location equal to HYD or ABED Hyderabad, I think. Now to check it is no the location or no. HYD or ABED Hyderabad. Okay. What is the notice period? I want to assign CAN dot NOT. Notice period came equal to within the single quotation. What is the values available here? Immediate 1 week. 1 week or 15 days. Keep here 15 days. Keeping 15 DAYS. 15 days. What are the values? The position name. That is, I want to place here position also. Where it is position name. POS dot name. I want to forward this value, so POS dot position name. Here also I want to another ST or string. So SATA position name. Okay, here CAN dot POS position equal to here POSITION NAME. Okay, that same position is mapping here. Okay, how many values I want to insert here? 2 values. So here I want to use a for loop integer. Sorry, already integer x. Okay, for x equal to 1, x less than or equal to counter x plus plus. I want to repeat these steps 2 times. I'm giving the values. Insert this. Okay. Prakash plus. Let me see here. I'm keeping candidate 1. Candidate. I'm keeping what is today value 04 11 2021 plus by plus x. Head about 15 days. Okay. 7 plus x. Post name, same post name. Illegal, where it is 54. Illegal. Integer to string, where it is integer to string, where it is integer experience. I don't want to check. CAN dot experience. Years of experience, where is pick list? Okay, it is pick list. It is a string. So I want to keep this. Now let this X. Okay. For I think where it is, there is no errors. Okay, no errors. What are the values inside this position? Position also we assigned. What about current CTC and expected CTC? Current CTC and expected CTC. CAN dot CU current CTC. Current CTC equal to the value 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Next, expected CTC. It means otherwise we need 12 lakhs. Okay, candidate dot expected CTC equal to 15 lakhs. Now here I'm doing 15, this is 18 lakhs. Contact number and email. Contact number and email. CAN dot contact number equal to single quotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, email equal to candidate plus X plus @gmail.com. Okay, candidate emails all we assigned. What is the next values? Contact number, email assigned, phone number, passport no need, phone number. Okay, CAN dot phone number, it is a string value, so that's equal to within the single quotation A B C D 1 2 3 4. That's enough. What about next one? Technical skills. I am omitting this. Okay, technical skills I am omitting. It is not mandatory field. So here how many records we are creating? Look here how many records? 2 records we are creating. You know to insert plus X also. Okay, X also. So here you want to insert IN, SC or to insert CAN. Semicolon. Here I am checking if CAN dot ID not equal to null, then system dot debug successfully inserted candidate record plus X plus record ID is plus record CAN dot record ID CAN dot ID CAN dot ID. I think it is variable does not exist 66. Okay, I want to save this. No errors here. Now I want to check this whether it is working or not. Okay. Want to save again? Save. Now open the anonymous window. Here it is. Look here. Here I want to create a object with the class name here. Copy. HMH is equal to new record and semicolon HMH dot hiring manager helper. Okay, create new HR. I'm calling this method only. Okay, now I'm calling execute. One error is there. Where it is hiring manager 37th line inserted field. First exception row. First error. Validation value does not exist. Not match filter criteria. Where it is line number 37. Now I want to check line number. Where it is 37. Line number 37. Wait. Line number 37. Insert POS. POS no? Right. Here I want to checking value. What are the values here? Past hiring manager, HR ID. It is HR ID hiring manager underscore C. What is the mandatory field here? Hiring manager, new candidate, position, new position. Okay, hiring manager name, populated. Wait. Wait once. Simple. So I want to omit this. That is hiring manager. I really want to omit this. Okay. Again, I want to execute this. Hiring manager, where it is in which DML operation, data manipulation, insert failed. Row 0 first. Hiring manager underscore C. Not exist, does not match filter criteria. Filter validation exception. Wait, where it is, create. Hiring manager. HR.id, where it is. HR.id, ID, HR, ID. HR, HR. So POS dot hiring manager ID, not ID. Hiring manager reference position. Hiring manager dot hiring manager reference immediate reference ID. I think reference ID equal to HR ID. Now to 29 and 30. 30. Find not writable position. Reference ID. That is not reference. In this one only. Device. HRID, HRID, okay. Check, execute. Criteria does not exist. Wait, I want to check once. Okay, look here. Here I removed what is the value. Before this, create new position. Here, forwarded HRID to the create new position, but I removed this, and also here position dot HRID, that can also remove this. Now it will working. Look here. Also check. This is the first method for, look here, this is the first method for creating new HR record. Up to here. In this HR record, we are calling this HR, create a new position. In this forwarding, what are the values of HR email address and HR contact number. This both were stored in email and contact field, contact variables. These values are assigned to creating new position. Look here, this email and this contact. In this we are inserting position record. If it is successfully inserted, we want to create a new position, new to position records. Okay, look here, position, create new candidate, where it is. Okay, new candidates, two candidates. Okay, I want to check this again. I want to execute this. Add system Salesforce architect, invalid, where it is string Salesforce architect. Look here, wait. Okay, I want to execute this. Look here, once I want to execute. Okay, here executing. Look here, I want to debug. How many records? This is hiring manager record. This is position record. These both are candidate records. I want to check whether it is inserted or not. I want to refresh hiring manager. Look here, Sundar Prakash. Look once our program. What is the hiring manager? Sundar Prakash. Okay, I want to check the details. Sundar Prakash. Detail, look here. What are the details inserted here? The details are showing here. Sundar Prakash, phone number, and the location is Bangalore. Okay, what about next one? Position. Look here, what is the position here? Salesforce architect. I want to check here position. Salesforce architect. Click on Salesforce architect. Look here. How many positions? Two positions, two positions. Look here, and Apex programming. What is the Apex programming with 5 years experience? And what is the skills required? What are the skills required? Look here, skills required. Apex programming, web pages, and Apex triggers. What is the HR email ID? Look here, HR email ID. Look here, HR email ID here populated here. Okay, and two candidate records, where it is two candidate records inserted. Look here, to check candidates. Here, look, two candidates already came. Candidate 04 112021 by 1 by 2. Okay, look here where it is. Your candidate. Candidate. X means first record is 1 and second record is 2. So here where it is. Hyderabad location. Location is Hyderabad 15 days. I think maximum period is 15 days. Which position? They both are Salesforce architect. Look here, Salesforce architect. Here I am mapped. What is the That is Hyderabad 7 and 15 days. Position, which position? Sales force architect, max on min pay. So successfully we inserted hiring manager record and corresponding position record and corresponding two candidate records. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, send me a query. Thank you to all.